We know how to create an invoice, but right out of the box, the default QuickBooks layout is a little generic. Sending a customized invoice isn't just about getting paid. It's a direct reflection of your brand. Today, I'll show you how to tweak your templates so your invoices look incredibly professional before you hit send. Let's start by heading up to the gear icon in the top right corner. Look under the Your Company column and click on Custom Form Styles. This is your template gallery. Click the green New Style button at the top right and select Invoice. This opens up the design dashboard. You'll notice right away that there is a live, interactive preview of your invoice taking up the entire right side of the screen, so you can see exactly how every single change looks in real time. In the Design tab, you control the overall aesthetic. I highly recommend picking the airy new or modern template to keep your branding minimalist, clean, and professional. Below that, you have options to upload your business logo, experiment with different color themes to match your brand, and even adjust the print margins if you plan on mailing physical copies. Next, click over to the Content tab. If you hover over the preview, you'll see the invoice is broken into 3 main sections: the header, the table, and the footer. To edit a section, just click the pencil icon inside it. Starting with the header, you can edit your business name, phone number, and email, or add your address and website. The best part is you control exactly what the customer sees just by checking or unchecking the boxes. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the Form and Display options. This is where you can assign custom transaction numbers and toggle things like the billing and shipping address, payment terms, or the due date. You can even add completely custom fields here if you need to. Now, let's click the pencil icon on the middle section, the table. Here, you can turn on an account summary, which is a great feature. It shows your customer their complete history right on the invoice, including their balance forward, recent payments, new charges, and the total amount due. Below that, you can toggle exactly which columns show up in the activity table, like the date, item description, quantity, rate, amount, or even SKUs. Finally, click the pencil on the footer. This is where you toggle sections for discounts, deposits, or estimate summaries. You also have a text box to leave a personalized message to your customer, or add standard footer text, like your bank transfer details. Last but not least, switch over to the Emails tab. This dictates exactly what your client sees in their inbox. You can choose whether the email shows the full invoice details or just a quick summary, and check a box to automatically attach the actual PDF. You can fully customize the subject line, the greeting, and the default message so you don't have to type it out every time. You can even write out the message for your automatic reminder emails right here as well. Before you finish, click the Preview PDF button down at the bottom. This gives you a final look at exactly what your client is going to download. Once it looks perfect, hit the green Done button. Your custom template is saved, and you are ready to send out beautiful, professional invoices. See you in the next video.